how to solve cannot download problem on Play Store. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can solve the cannot download problem on Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, if you have your Google Play Store here and then you're just trying to download some apps, but then it says it cannot download it, and maybe it's a game, maybe it's an app. There could be a couple of reasons for this. The very first thing, of course, you want to check is that you have access to a proper internet connection. Try to use other social media apps. Now if that doesn't help, sometimes this could be due to lack of storage on your phone, because open up settings and then just go to your battery and device care or wherever else it is, and then look for the storage option and then just make sure that you have enough storage. Now in my case, you can see I still have over 50% storage left on my device out of 128 gigabytes. So make sure that you have enough storage on your phone and then see if that solves your problem, because in most of the cases the problems are with your lack of storage. If this doesn't help, what I want you to do is just come back, and then on the settings app you want to simply look for the option called apps. So in my case it's right over here, which is apps. I'll just tap on the apps option. Once I tap the apps option here, it's just going to take me to this page where I have to simply look for the option called Google Play Store. So first of all, make sure to tap on Google Play Store, and then once you tap on Google Play Store, go to storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've done that, come back, then tap the three dots icon here. Make sure to simply uninstall the updates, and then once you've done that, just tap on disable and then re-enable the app, force stop, and then restart the app again. And once you've done that, come back. Then you want to look for Google Play Services this time. Repeat the same steps. That is, first of all, go to storage, clear cache files, and also tap on manage storage, tap on clear all data. This will delete your Google account from the device, so you have to log in again. Then again, repeat the same steps, tap the three dots, tap on uninstall updates. Now what we have to do is, after we've done that, open up a Google Play Store, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then just tap the profile icon from the top right, then just go to settings, then go to about, then scroll down, select the option called Update Play Store. Just make sure to update your Google Play Store to the latest version. Last but not the least, just restart your Android phone, and then that should definitely solve your problem. Hope this video helped you understand a question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.